Your Windows PC has no sound, no music, no YouTube, nothing? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you simple steps to fix it. Anyone can do this. I will show you 5 easy steps to fix sound in Windows. Watch till the end because the last step works for most people. Check sound volume and mute. First, check if your volume is low or muted. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click the speaker icon. Make sure the volume is not 0. If there is a red cross, it means it's muted. Click to unmute it. Set correct output device. Next, we choose the right sound device. Right click the speaker icon, bottom right, click sound setting or open sound setting. Under you can see choose your output device. Click the drop down. Try selected speaker or headphones. Restart Windows audio service. Now we will restart the sound service. Click the search bar, bottom left, type services. Click service. Scroll down, find Windows Audio. Right click it, click restart. Run troubleshooter. Click the search bar, bottom left of the screen. Type control panel. Click to open it. Click troubleshooting. Click hardware and sound. Now click playing audio under sound. A window will pop up. Click next and follow the step. Update or reinstall audio driver. Finally, we update the sound driver. Click the start button, bottom left, click device manager, find sound, video and game controllers. Right click your audio device like Realtek or Intel. Click update driver, choose search automatically. If that does not work, click uninstall. Then restart your PC. Which step fixed your sound? Tell me in the comments. If it still did not work, comment below and I will help you. and please like and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you.